Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to customize AI voices in Synthesia and adjust your video narration to make it sound more natural, professional, and engaging. First, open your Synthesia project and select the scene where you want to customize the voice. Look for the voice settings connected to your script or AI avatar. Now browse through the available AI voices and choose one that fits your video. Consider the language, accent, tone, and speaking style before making your final selection. For business and training videos, a clear and professional voice can work well. For tutorials and educational content, choose a friendly voice that is easy to listen to. For marketing videos, you may prefer a more energetic and engaging speaking style. Next, preview different voice options whenever available. Listen carefully to the pronunciation, pacing, tone, and overall delivery. Once you find a suitable voice, apply it to your scene and listen to the narration again. Make sure the voice matches the style of your content and feels natural with the script. You should also review your script carefully. If the AI voice is pronouncing a word incorrectly, try adjusting the spelling, punctuation, or wording so the narration sounds clearer. For technical terms, names, numbers, and abbreviations, pay extra attention to pronunciation. Small changes to the script can sometimes make the narration sound much better. Next, check the speaking pace. If the narration feels too fast, make the script easier to follow by using shorter sentences and natural punctuation. If it feels too slow, simplify unnecessary pauses and keep the content focused. For videos with multiple scenes, try to maintain a consistent voice throughout the project. This creates a smoother and more professional listening experience. If you're creating multilingual content, choose a suitable voice for each language and review each version separately. After customizing the
Hi,
voice,
Brown.
preview
This
the
is
entire video from beginning to end. Check whether the narration matches the avatar, visuals, and overall message.